To link your prepaid PayPal card to your PayPal account, start by logging into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Wallet tab at the top of the page. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage all of your linked payment methods. Next, click on the Link a Card button and select the type of card you have. In this case, you will select Prepaid Card. You will then be prompted to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the details correctly as they appear on your card. After entering the card details, click on the Link Card button. PayPal will then verify the card by sending a small amount to the card, which will be refunded afterwards. This is a security measure to ensure the card is valid and belongs to you. Once the card is verified, it will be linked to your PayPal account and you can use it to make payments. To use your prepaid card with PayPal, simply select it as the payment method when making a purchase. The funds will be deducted from your prepaid card and the transaction will be processed through PayPal. It is essential to note that not all prepaid cards can be linked to PayPal, so you should check with your card issuer to confirm if your card is eligible. Additionally, some prepaid cards may have restrictions on usage or may require a minimum balance to be maintained. By following these steps, you can easily link your prepaid PayPal card to your PayPal account and use it to make payments online. This provides a convenient and secure way to shop online without having to use a credit or debit card.